Hey, what's up, everybody? Happy Thursday, I believe. Today is May 22nd, 2025. And what I am doing is showing you my snapdragon plant. So I planted these seeds last year. I grew this plant from seed. Oh, I just moved this. I have an obsession with earthworms. I just moved this empty container. I'm going to sit it back and reveal some earthworms. But I wanted to come out. It's a little noisy out today, so I'll speak up. But I wanted to come out and harvest some seeds. I grew this plant. I planted these. What am I trying to say? I planted these seeds back in August of last year. And this plant lasts all through the summer, the fall, and now it's spring, and I have a lot of blooms. But what I'm noticing is some are coming out like this one, and then some are just still in this phase. Okay, so I'm back in the house with my snapdragon dried seed pods. So let's take a look at this one. And you can grow your plants and then harvest your seeds and become your own seed bank. Like, you don't have to keep going to the store. There's a seed, that's a seed, all of these seeds. You don't have to go to the store and keep buying seeds every season. The seeds are already here for you. Look at there.